Today, let's take a look at a Wirefy product. This is a butt connector that has a heat shrink on it. This kit has 150 pieces in it, so it's really nice to have. Open it up. Inside, you got all your little butt connectors. So this is great for 14 to 16 gauge wire. You're gonna be putting 2 connections in here. I'm gonna show you how to do that. I would suggest getting the Wirefy crimper because it's color coded and you're not gonna confuse which crimp you need for which color of connector. So we've got a blue, which is the number 2. That's what we're going to use on this. For starters, I always like to just open this up, put my crimper on the side I'm going to crimp first, take my wire, insert it. Once your wire is inserted, you can crimp the one side. Now I can go to the other side and crimp it as well. Then we're going to shrink it down. So put the crimper on. I'm not squeezing it yet, I'm just holding it there. And I'll get the wire in, just like that. Give that a crimp, and we're good. That wire is not going anywhere. Nice and tight. Now we can heat shrink this. This is pretty awesome stuff. So I'm going to use the Dremel 2000. Just turn that sucker on, and we start shrinking this tubing down. Now this is going to prevent water from getting into our connections. Really easy to use. You can use a lighter, you can use a heat gun. You don't have to use a torch like this. Pretty much done. I could shrink down a little bit more on this side actually. I want to make sure you get it nice and tight around the wire. There we go. So now we have a nice watertight connection. This stuff is waterproof. It has a glue lining on the inside, so it actually glues to the wire. Once it's heated up, it'll bond to that wire, so it's really, really nice. So you're not going to get any kind of water penetration in there if you do it correctly. Super easy to do. Hope the video was helpful. Till next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.